Hello,
Hello, ma'am.
it's my pleasure to introduce to you myself. I'm Vivian Tamni, at 27 years old. I have three sisters and two brothers, and I'm the second in the family. I'm a graduate of midwifery and I'm a registered midwife.
Okay, so Vivian, can you tell me your working experience?
I work in Hong Kong as a caregiver or domestic helper for 2 years and 4 months for my first employer, and I took care of an elderly. And at the same time, I clean the house and wash the clothes of my employer. And my second employer,
Okay, so your second employer is how many members in the family?
only one ma'am.
Okay, how old is she?
7 to 8 ma'am.
78 years old. She's a healthy walking or a bedridden
A
person?
healthy walking ma'am.
Okay, so we go back to the first employer you have. Your first employer, how many members in the family in Hong Kong?
There are 3 ma'am, but I only took care of the one, the elderly ma'am.
Okay, so how old the elderly is?
She's 92 years old ma'am.
Okay,
She's
she's
bedridden.
This is a bedridden. Okay, and then how many years you stay with your first employer?
3 years and 4 months ma'am.
Okay, so meaning to say you finish your contract, right?
Yes ma'am, and I recontract, but unfortunately my employer died after 4 months, so I have to find another job.
Okay, so your second employer is your employer has recommended you for your second employer, right?
Yes ma'am.
Okay, so who is your second employer?
My second employer is the sister-in-law of my first employer.
Okay, and then how many years you stay with your second employer?
I only stayed in my second employer for 6 months because I decided to go home to have a baby. But unfortunately, until now I don't have the baby, so I decided to go back and find another job.
Okay, so can you cook?
No, ma'am.
So,
Honestly, I don't cook Chinese food, but I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese food.
okay, like for example, if I will give you a menu or a recipe, but can you manage to cook and follow that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how about Filipino foods? Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what kind of Filipino foods can you cook?
Adobo, ma'am.
Meaning to say all kinds of Filipino foods can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and how about taking care of pets? Do you like to take care of pets?
No, ma'am.
Okay, are you scared of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so how about doing car washing? Are you willing to do?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so meaning to say now you're married or still single?
Still single, ma'am.
Okay, but you have your own fiancé.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you're living together, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, but until now no baby yet.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what is the reason behind why you want to go back again in Hong Kong?
I want to earn money for our future.
Okay, so after how many years contract you want to be there in Hong Kong?
After my first contract, I'll
Okay,
finish my contract.
okay. And then which you prefer, taking care of the elderly, taking care of the children?
Any, ma'am.
Any, both of that.
Yes.
Okay. So now the future employer is watching and listening to you, what you can say something to them?
Hello, ma'am. I know it's your choice to select your domestic helper, but I'm here applying, ma'am, and I'll promise that if you will hire me as your domestic helper, I'll promise to do my responsibility. Thank you, ma'am.